Welcome to Rough Play.
We have new rifles. This is our new quad bike. It is a very strong bike. It's electrical. You just have to use charger and plug it in the electricity. Here is our plug-in socket, and it has this controller for switch on and off, and it has very comfortable seat. You see, like if you sit on the seat, you feel more comfortable, right? Yeah, the seat is more spacious and has this carrier. If you have another passenger, you'll have to sit here, right? Then, you see the rim, the tires are a bit bigger. When if you are riding in Ramo, you don't feel it. You feel so much comfortable. It has now, you can use boosters. It has a very strong motor, 1,500 horsepower. It has the backlights, you see, lights, and then when you come to the front, it has the headlamps, right? Post lights, indicators, right and left. Then it has on the side mirrors, a bit very special. Now we're ready to go. I can take you, like you need to go forward because at the front now I don't have space. You just have to engage this red button and then you roll your accelerator while holding the red button, and it will go backward. Then you release, stop, then you're going the front. You can engage gear number 1, then ready to go.